morning student. Today topic is corrosion. Corrosion is the process in which the surface of metal are attacked by the atmospheric agent like O2, CO2 and water etc. Or you can say that the chemical process of slow eating up of the surface of certain metals which when kept in open for a long time. This is also called as corrosion. What is the main difference between corrosion and rusting? Corrosion applied to a variety of metals, but the rusting is confined only to iron. Now, we will discuss the example of corrosion. You see this example, rusting of iron in our surrounding. The rust is of red color. This is a reddish brown layer. The rusting of iron is due to the Fe2O3 means ferric oxide, that is the coating of reddish brown. Due to this the rust is formed on iron. Second, in our surrounding you see the silver turn black. Why the silver turn black? Due to the formation of silver sulfide Az2S. This is also a corrosion. Next, take another example, copper turn blue green due to the formation of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. These are the examples of corrosion. Next, how will you explain the rusting of iron? Rusting of iron is a corrosion. So corrosion involves only two conditions. First is oxygen and second is moisture. Moisture comes from water. Then corrosion takes place. Then iron object that react with the atmospheric oxygen, it will form ferric oxide. And this ferric oxide in presence of moisture, that is changes into Fe2O3 into XH2O, that is rust, that is the reddish brown color coating present on the iron object. So this is called as rusting of iron. Then question arises, how to prevent the corrosion? How to prevent the rusting? First, by painting. Providing a layer of paint on the metal, then we can prevent the action of metal with some external agency like O2, water, etc. So the corrosion is easily prevented. Second, by applying grease or oil. If we apply grease on the metal, then it can prevent the exposure of metal with some external agency. So the corrosion is easily prevented. Third is the important prevention, that is galvanization. This is important. Galvanization means the depositing a thin layer of zinc metal on iron. Means you can see that the process which involves the coating of iron with the thin layer of zinc. It is done by the dipping the iron in the molten zinc. The zinc layer coating is formed and that protect the iron inside from the corrosion. Next, fourth one is by alloying. Alloying are the mixture of two or more metal or non-metal. A pure form of iron is very soft and stretches very easily when hot. But if the iron is mixed with carbon, nickel, chromium to get an alloy of stainless steel. Stainless steel is very hard and does not rust. So alloying is a very good method to prevent the corrosion. Now the fifth method is by electroplating. The process of plating of one metal onto the another by hydrolysis. This is used for decorative purpose. Example, copper plating, silver plating, etc. And at last, we can say that choosing a right material that can help to prevent the corrosion. Example, aluminium and stainless steel that are the highly corrosion resistant compound. Thank you.